my name is Kevin. I study 3rd grade. Today we're going to do an experiment called how to make a bouncy ball. So you will need a bouncy ball mold, bouncy ball powder, and a glass of water, about 2 to 3 inches of water. Okay, so let's cut off the top of the bouncy ball powder's cover. Yeah, that's enough. And then let's pour it in the mold. Knock it gently so it will start to flatten round. Sometimes these come together to make kind of like rocks. So if you had to kind of poke and then scrape so you can destroy the rocks. Maybe this is enough. Okay, now put it in the glass of water. Wait for 15 seconds. Okay, now let it aside for 2 minutes. Hi guys, now 2 minutes have passed. Let's open the mixer. Look, a bouncy ball came, but it's still not ready yet. Leave it to dry for about 1 minute. Hi guys, now the bouncy ball is ready. To see if it's ready, hang low on some hard surface and then leave it. If it bounces, that means it's ready. But if it does not bounce, that means it still needs to dry. Now you see it's ready now. Okay. Now you can play with it a bit, like this. Go. You can do it high back, but just don't throw it, just in case it's still not dried yet. If you do, it will just shatter up. So this happens because the bouncy ball powder was polyvinyl alcohol, also known as PEA. So, also known as PVA. So, this, you can mix it up. And if you make this with water, then it will start to bounce. Then it will start to, like, the water goes between the crystals and then goop, and then kind of like sticks them together, but it can only stick the surface. So it kind of sticks them so much, and then when you leave it out to dry, it will start to harden like white glue. So that way, it kind of acts kind of like a rubber, which is a polymer. If you had a high-speed camera, you can drop it, and then boom, you can see a slight different change, and then when it comes up, you'll see it will come back to its regular shape. Well, thanks for watching my video. Bye now. See you soon.